President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. calls for clarity and credibility amid the absence of Vice President Sara Duterte in her own impeachment proceedings. Meanwhile, the palace maintained that Senator Rodante Marcoleta and Mike Defensor's arrest on plunder charges will not derail the impeachment trial. Harley Valbuena has the details.
It would be much easier to get to the bottom of everything if you can speak to the accused directly. Kung diretsong makapagsagot, di siyempre mas magiging maliwanag ang proseso.
This was stressed by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. amid Vice President Sara Duterte's absence on her impeachment trial. According to the President, if he was on the heel of BP Sara, he will insist on facing the trial. Nevertheless, President Marcos Jr. is unlikely to monitor the impeachment trial, according to the palace, as the President has more important work to do.
Mas marami pong dapat na trabahuhin ng ating Pangulo at hindi po siya uupo lamang para po manood ng impeachment trial.
Meanwhile, the palace believes that Senator Rodante Marcoleta's arrest over plunder charges would not affect the impeachment proceedings. This, as the President respects the law and the order of the court. The palace also hits back at former Congressman Mike Defensor, who was arrested alongside Marcoleta. Defensor questioned why they were jailed ahead of the real culprits who stole money from the public coffers.
Sana po ay minabdali din nila ang pagbibigay ng mga ebidensya. Konkretong ebidensya, hindi lang puro pamidya. Sa korte na lamang po nila ito gawin at depensahan.
Malacanang then assured it will not interfere with the Senate in resolving the issue on the conviction threshold in the trial, which remains under debate as 3 senators face legal battles. The palace also trusts that Iglesia ni Cristo will respect the arrest of Senator Marcoleta. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.